First, grab a pen and paper to take notes. Hello everyone. Today we're going to talk about one of the best diets that have proven to be effective for losing weight and improving health: intermittent fasting. Not only is it simple and easy to adopt, it also has amazing health benefits. We'll show you how to follow this diet correctly, plus a 7-day meal plan to get the best results. Let's get started. Part 1. Introduction to intermittent fasting. What is intermittent fasting? Intermittent fasting is an eating pattern that cycles between periods of eating and fasting. It doesn't specify what you should eat, but rather focuses on when you should eat. The basic idea is that your body enters a fat-burning state during the fasting period, which leads to weight loss. Common types of intermittent fasting: 16/8 diet, fast for 16 hours and eat within 8 hours. 5-2 diet, eat normally for 5 days and partially fast, 500 to 600 calories for 2 days. Eat, stop, eat, fasting for 24 hours once or twice a week. Part 2. Benefits of intermittent fasting. Improving insulin sensitivity. Intermittent fasting helps lower blood sugar levels and increase insulin sensitivity. Weight loss and fat burning. During the fasting period, the body enters a state of burning stored fat. Promoting heart health, helps reduce cholesterol and triglyceride levels. Improving brain function. Intermittent fasting can increase the production of proteins that help brain health and reduce inflammation. Part 3. How to start intermittent fasting. Choosing the right method. Based on your lifestyle, choose the system that suits you, such as 16/8 or 5-2. Start by gradually reducing your eating period to adapt to fasting. Drink plenty of water. Make sure to drink water regularly to maintain hydration during the fasting period. Avoid overeating after fasting. Try to maintain balanced meals even after the fasting period ends. Section 4. 7-day diet plan. Day 1. Breakfast, after fasting, oatmeal with almond milk and fruit pieces. Lunch, grilled chicken salad with avocado and olive oil. Dinner, grilled salmon with grilled vegetables. Day 2. Breakfast, green juice, spinach, celery, apple. Lunch, grilled steak with grilled potatoes. Dinner, quinoa with grilled vegetables and hummus. Day 3. Breakfast, Greek yogurt with honey and almonds. Lunch, tuna salad with olive oil and lemon. Dinner, grilled chicken with brown rice and vegetables. Day 4. Breakfast, avocado toast with poached egg. Lunch, turkey burger with side salad. Dinner, vegetable soup with a piece of whole grain bread. Day 5. Breakfast, mixed berry smoothie with coconut milk. Lunch, grilled chicken breast with sweet potatoes. Dinner, grilled fish with black rice and vegetables. Day 6. Breakfast, fried eggs with spinach and feta cheese. Lunch, kale salad with feta cheese and nuts. Dinner, whole wheat pasta with tomato sauce and vegetables. Day 7. Breakfast, oatmeal cookies with peanut butter and fruit. Lunch, grilled steak with grilled vegetables. Dinner, grilled tuna with brown rice and green salad. Part 5. Tips for sticking to intermittent fasting. Consistency and patience. Your body needs time to adjust to the regime. Listen to your body. If you feel tired or dizzy, you may need to adjust your regime. Exercise. Do light exercises during the fasting period, such as walking or yoga. Conclusion. Today we talked about the best way to follow the intermittent fasting system and how it can help you improve your health and lose weight. If you have tried intermittent fasting or are planning to try it, share your experience with us in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel and activate the bell button to receive all that is new. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.